The nutrition and health world has become a scary place. Every day there's a new study coming out telling us why some food is bad for us, or an internet health guru telling us why our exercise routine is causing us more harm than good. And the pressure to have a perfectly fit body has intensified as well. We have social media stars all over the place with perfect abs that make us feel bad about ourselves. You can't even go to the grocery store without seeing a magazine cover that says, here's a 1,200 a day calorie diet that will make you have a perfect body. It starts to make us feel like if we don't have that perfect body, that we're not trying hard enough. It wasn't until I gave up the pursuit of perfection and started treating my body with respect and love that I finally settled into a healthy routine that helped me feel great without constantly striving to be better. These days I approach my health and fitness from a place of unchangeable self-worth and confidence in my ability to make the best choices for my body, mind, and spirit. I no longer pursue a level of physical perfection that is impossible to obtain. I still choose healthy whole foods at most meals, and I exercise regularly during the week. But I do it in the spirit of self-care and self-respect, not the hustle for worthiness that used to drive me. Because of this shift, I have recovered a sense of freedom in my life and in my body that I never had before when I was restricting certain foods, spending hours in the gym every day, and reading countless diet books and fitness magazines. This freedom is why I become passionate about helping others break free from the fear-based health choices. It's why I dedicated my career to helping people just like you discover an approach to life and nutrition that lets them feel healthy and at home in their own bodies. My name is Bob Nesbitt. I'm a light worker and certified transformational nutrition and holistic health coach, trained in functional nutrition therapies. I'm here to help you discover your own intuitive ability to choose the food, exercise, and lifestyle plan that works best for you. You deserve to feel confident in the decisions you make about your health, and I'm here to help you develop that confidence. Together, we'll discover your healthiest life, free from fear, shame, and unnecessary restrictions. I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to join you on your journey to true health and well-being.